you're not using the mornings you have in the right way, you're probably not living to the fullest of your potential. And you could be doing so much more if you just have better morning routines, things that you do in the morning, which just propels you towards the success that I know we can both get. And the things I did in the morning were so bad 1 or 2 years ago, bro. As soon as I would wake up, I would just press snooze, I would sleep in. And even if I didn't do that, I'd wake up early at a good time, right? But then I would just watch YouTube videos. I'd sit on my couch and then I would always just be tired. I wouldn't have any drive to really do anything. I'd always wake up feeling kind of terrible and I just didn't know how to start my day off right, how to make it so in the first few hours of my day, I actually feel amazing with my life. I feel like I'm doing the right things and I feel like I'm on the right path. But now I feel so great about my life. I feel like I'm using my mornings to the best of my ability. And every time I wake up, I jump out of bed with joy, knowing that I have so many great things ahead of my days. And I just feel so much more motivated to do things in my life. Wouldn't that just be an amazing life to live? Being happy every time you wake up, jumping out of bed, feeling like you're getting closer and closer to the goals that you want and the dreams that you have. By the way, if you don't know who I am, my name is Timothy, and I just like sharing things that I've learned along the way of me trying to be a better person in life. And if you found this video so far interesting, you like the nice view, you like the vibe of this video, you kind of like my voice, consider subscribing because I post videos like these every single day. Because I wish I just had videos like these 1 or 2 years ago when I was just on my couch, eating junk food, watching so much YouTube, playing so much video games. I wish I had videos like these, you know? After I did my YouTube watching, my napping, I would feel terrible when it hit 9 a.m., 10 a.m., and I would just feel so miserable my whole entire weekend. I'd waste all the weekends I had. I had no idea how to spend it, and I just feel so drained, and I had no drive to do anything. But then I figured out what I actually could be doing to feel a lot better about my life. And it's not these crazy things like talking to 500 women or taking a cold shower for an hour. Like, it's not some stupid random things like that. It's actually something that we should be doing and something I've been starting to do recently, and I just felt so much better about my life. And the thing I'm talking about is what I'm doing right now. Being outside, enjoying the morning, enjoying the sun come up. That's what makes my days worth living. That's what gets me out of bed. That's what makes me fall asleep early so I can wake up early and enjoy the day right up, enjoy the nice background, enjoy the environment that I am in. And just going on a little walk around for like 10 minutes is so freaking worth it, bro. I really hope you can take this seriously and try not to think like this is some easy thing and it's below you. Because I really feel like just doing this small thing of going outside in the morning just made me propel my success and abilities and motivation and drive to do everything that I'm doing right now. I don't play video games anymore. I don't relapse. I don't watch so many hours on YouTube. I actually feel like I'm making so much progress in my life. And not even just going outside in the morning, but just being outside in general. Instead of watching a million videos on how to fix your life or how to be more social, actually just going outside and being more social in real life. That's actually how you learn the most. In the morning, I would be not only just watching a bunch of random Fortnite videos, but I'd also just be watching videos on how to be more social and like how to hold better eye contact and stuff. And then I just watch those videos and not even implement anything I learned from that. So if you feel kind of stagnant in life and you don't really feel like you're making progress towards your goals and dreams, start doing this more. Start going out, because it's so easy to just be on your computer all day, watch a bunch of videos, feel like you're learning, being productive, but then you don't actually do anything in your life. And the moment you start doing more things in your life, and I feel like going outside in the morning or whenever, honestly, I feel like that's just such a great start to propel you towards the path that you want to have in life. I really hope you can take this advice seriously, because if I did this 1 or 2 years ago, I would have felt so much happier about my life. I would have had so much drive and energy to do all the things that I wanted to do. make a bunch of money, talk to more girls, and all these things that I wanted, I would be able to do that way more effectively. Make this one of the last videos you watch and try implementing this. Next time you wake up, instead of snoozing or sleeping in, doing all those things like watching a bunch of random videos and stuff, just go outside for 10 minutes first thing. Dress up nicely and then go outside for 10 minutes. It doesn't have to be a bunch of crazy things, but this one thing of just going outside more, especially in the morning, makes me so confident, so excited, so energetic about my life. Because not only are you getting testosterone from being outside, feel more confident because you're just in nature and you see people around you. Not only do you level up your social skills and level up all those things that you want to level up, but just watch a bunch of YouTube videos, but you could just do that when you go outside. You have things to think about. You think about your life. You think about the choices that you're doing. It gives you something to do. So if you come home from school and you're bored, instead of just watching a bunch of random videos, relapsing, playing video games, actually try to go outside and you'll have something to do in your life. It gives your life and every day you have more purpose, more meaning. And I feel like that's the thing that I was lacking a few years ago, which really could have changed the way I live. So seriously, bro, try doing this. And I guarantee, I hope you can think about this when you wake up the next day or